Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to solve a equation, a higher order equation in MX Excel, and it's very easy and useful for every stream. So here we have an equation with x to the power 4 plus 5x cubed plus 3x is equal to 0, and we need to solve for x. So firstly we will begin with the value of x that we keep initially at 1. Let's write the formula. Yeah, and the formula will always begin with equal to sign, and next we have to write the whole formula that's written up here in the text box. That's D48. We have to select D48 cell to the power 4, the one we have done for x to the power 4. So D40 is the value of x to the power 4 plus, next we have to write 5x cubed, 5 into x D48 to the power cube, and add 3 times D48, that is 3 times x. So we have written the formula and we just need to compute it out to get a final value of 0 that is on the equation's right hand side. So we want 0. Yes. So right now the formula is giving out to be 9 and we want it to be 0 by varying x. The value of x needs to be varied, and so we will go to a tool in MS Excel that's in the data in what if analysis, goal seek. Here we will set the cell, the formula cell, that's 9, to the value of 0 by changing the cell D48, that is the X cell. Here we go. So we have the formula coming out to be almost up to 0,